So the question is full mouth implant safe? What this follower is asking is having a mouth full of implants, which is safe. So the answer is definitely the answer is yes. Why would the person need an implant to begin with? For example, if the patient had a lot of infected teeth, a full mouth of infected teeth, and you definitely don't want to have any infection in your mouth, so definitely not having infection in your mouth is not safe at all. So you definitely want to have those infected teeth removed. So after you get those infected teeth removed, and one of the best way to replace those teeth are, of course, the dental implants. And now you're going to have full mouth of dental implants. And it could be as simple as minimum as 2 implants on the bottom jaw and 2 implants on the upper jaw, or it could be as maximum as about 6 to 8 implants per jaw. That means 6 to 8 implants on the bottom, and then 6 to 8 implants on the top also. So that depends on the type of prosthesis that you want to have in your mouth, whether you want to have something removable or you want to have something fixed. So the bottom line is having a full mouth implant is safe. I would rather prefer to have somebody have a full mouth of implant versus a full mouth of infection, which is not good for you at all. And I hope this answers your question.